The word biodiversity was coined by Walter G. Rawson in 1986. It is defined as the variety of plants, animals, and microbes occurring as an interacting system in a given habitat. India has rich heritage of species and enormous varieties of flora and fauna. Overall, 8% of world species are found in India. India occupies 10th rank as far as the richness of plant wealth is concerned. This wealth is distributed in the form of forests, wetlands, grasslands, deserts, marine areas, coral reefs, etc. Number of species of plants and animals at world level is as under. Algae 40,000, fungi 80,000, bryophytes 25,000, gymnosperms 725, angiosperms 270,000, virus 1600, bacteria 4,000, protozoa 40,000, nematodes and worms 25,000, insects 10,25,000, crustaceans 4,300, mollusca 70,000, amphibia 4,800, fishes 2,70,000, reptiles 7,000, birds 9,700, mammals 4,650, others 10 lakhs. Biodiversity includes different types of plants as well as animals. Richness of biodiversity of a country is decided on the basis of numbers of species found in that country. There is no other parameter to measure biodiversity. In India, the picture of biodiversity becomes clear from this chart. Plants 45,000, invertebrates 6,800, insects 67,000, molluscs 4,000, fishes 1,693, amphibians 2,000, reptiles 420, birds 1,200, mammals 340. Biodiversity of a particular area is determined by the following: groups of plants and animals found in a particular area, their interaction amongst themselves as well as with the surroundings, number of species in that area, number of indigenous species, some particular species and its variability, number of individuals in a particular species. Genetic biodiversity. External appearance of an organism depends upon chromosomes, and genetic setup, mutation, and genetic recombination brings about diversity in character. This is called genetic diversity. Various species of cotton such as Gossypium arboreum, Gossypium herbaceae, Gossypium barbadens, and Bt cotton are good examples of genetic diversity. Species diversity. Number of individuals of a particular species in a particular area or ecosystem is called species diversity. It gives an idea regarding richness of a particular plant or animal in any natural habitat. Species diversity is more in warmer parts of the world as compared to cooler parts. Scientific concerned with environmental science and conservation of nature are more concerned with species diversity. Ecosystems diversity. Ecosystem is defined as interaction between the organism and environment, grassland, forest, lake, desert, ocean are good examples of ecosystem. Each ecosystem has producer, consumer, and decomposer. This chain controls the number of species and maintains biodiversity of a particular ecosystem.